Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if call recording option is not available on your iPhone to record calls. So guys, if you're trying to turn on call recording option on your iPhone but there is no option to record calls on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix this issue and how can you turn on call recording on your iPhone. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device and then tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update your device, and after this you have to simply scroll it below all the way in settings and then go to your apps from here and then scroll it below and go to iPhone, go to phone, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on call recording from here, and you have to simply turn on this toggle for call recording. So as here you can see this, simply turn it on, and after this you will be able to record calls on your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.